Hello friend, this is Lydia from China. Today, I would like to introduce our GREWIN MPR micron boring tool. Precision solution for contouring turning. Vibration damped carbide shank reduces chatter for superior surface finish in contouring, high rigidity and precision edge. Handles complex geometries and micron features. 10-second tool swap. Quick change net boost multi-contour efficiency by 50%. Ideal for precision contour machining. A medical device threaded cavities, micron drill shafts, and other intricate components. High efficiency, GREWIN and GREWIN. If you need any micron boring tool, please contact us. Thank you.